Hello everyone, welcome to Skills Build Training YouTube channel. Myself Mohammad Zubair, and this channel is all about showing you how to become an IT pro really fast. So the topic of today's video is how to make your KDE Plasma Desktop look stunning. This video will talk about how you can make your KDE Plasma Desktop environment more beautiful and more pleasing to use. For this video, I am using the Manjaro Linux distribution with KDE Plasma as the default desktop environment. You can also use any other Linux distribution which has the KDE Plasma as the default desktop environment. For example, there is OpenSUSE libkde, Neptune, Fedora spins KDE Plasma, etc. So let's get started. I will start with changes to the desktop. So for that purpose, I will go to my application launcher, and you can open your application launcher by just clicking on this icon or hit your super key. After that, I will go to system settings. Here it is, just open it. In here, I will look for window management, and here it is, just open it. In here, I will go to the window management, and here it is, just click on it, and here it is, you will get this window. From here, click on this advanced tab, and from here you can see here it says a window placement, and at the moment it is minimal overlapping. So I will click on it, and from here I will select the option which says centered. After that, I will click on apply, and now I will go to the workspace behavior. And in here, go to screen edges, and in here you see these small boxes on this small window. So right click on it, and from here make sure that you choose the option which says present windows, and for this one you choose no action. After that, click on apply. Now I will go to the desktop effect directory. In here I will search for blur, and here it is. Make sure that you open its setting here, and from here you can change the blur as per your liking. This setting will help you to keep focus on your active window. Means if you have 3 or 4 windows open at the moment and you are working on one, what it will do, it will blur the remaining windows so that you can have focus on your active window. So for that purpose, you can change it as per your liking or as per your need. So I'm going like this. After that, I will click on OK. And now I'm done with blur. Now I will search for slide back, and here it is. Make sure you check this checkbox, and after that you click on apply. What it will do, it will slide your active window when you open a new one on the screen. And after that, in the search box, I will search for the dim, and let's see what happens. I will write here dim, and here it is. Make sure you check this checkbox as well. What it will do, it will darken the windows. For example, if you have 3-4 windows open, what it will do, it will darken all other windows on which you will not be working, and it will help you to keep focus on your active window. After that, I will just click on apply. Now again, I will search for one more thing, and that is scale. And here it is. It says resize window. So now again, I will check this checkbox, and again I will click on apply. Now I will go back, and I will open Windows Management once again, and then I will go to the task switcher, and here it is. Just click on it, and in here I will do some setting for when we are switching between different tasks. So for example, here it says breeze. So if I click on it, I will scroll down. I'm going with large one, and here it is. It says large icons. You can always go with the one which you like the most. After that, I will click on apply. Now we will go to the Kvantum scripts, and here it is. Just click on it, and here we have different scripts available, but I will show you that how can we get new script from this window. And here it says get new script. So I will just click on it, and from here we will get many new scripts for our windows, but I'm going for some particular one. For that purpose, I will search here for blur. I will write here, and what it will do, it will look for it, and it will show me the results, and here it is. I will just install it, And now we are done with installing the force blur or Windows script. And now I will search for another one here. And this time I will search for latte. And let's see what we get after that. And here it is. I will just install this one. And now we are done with the installation of latte Windows script. After that, I will close this one. And here these are. I will choose both these. And after that, I will click on apply. Now we need to go back to our main system settings. And now we have to look for window decorations. And here it is. Just click on it. Now I will go to the title bar button tab. I will click on it. And from here, I will do some tweaks here. So these are the options which we get whenever we open any window. If you see here that these are the icons which are present here. And these are present on the left side on the top bar. So what I will do, I will shift them and I will remove them. And after that, I want to have these icons on the left side of the top bar. So I will just move these icons here. Okay, this one will come on the most left side. And after that, I will remove this one as well. For that purpose, I will just have to drag it and I will drop it in this window. After that, I will click on it. And now you can see that my icons have been shifted to the left side of my top bar of my windows. Now, I will go back to my main system settings and from here I will go to workspace behavior. And from here I will look for virtual desktop and here it is. Just open it. And from here you can see that we have only two desktop by default in our KDE Plasma. And here these are. This is one desktop and this is the other one. As you can see the labels here. It says desktop 2 and it says desktop 1. What if we want to add more desktop? So we can also add more desktop here. So I will just increase the number of desktop here and I will click on add. So at the moment I will get 4 desktop here. So if I click on apply and here you can see that the number of desktop has been changed from 2 to 4. So this is how we can increase the number of desktop. And now it's time to install some themes in our KDE Plasma Desktop environment. For that purpose, I will just go back and I will search for global themes. And here it is, it says appearance. So I will click on it. And here we have different themes which we can use for our KDE Plasma Desktop environment. But at the moment, I want to have something new. For that purpose, I will just click on this button which says get new global theme. So I will click on it. And from here, we will get many new themes which we can use for our desktop environment. But if you want to search for some particular one, you can always do that. So click on these 3 dots and from here, just search for any theme. I will search for Edna, which spells EDNA. And here it is. I will just click on install and what it will do, it will get installed in my system. And we are done with the installation of our Edna theme. So I will just close this one and here it is. Just click on it and click on apply. And you can see that the look for our windows and our desktop has been changed. Now we need to install some more themes. I will install the GTK2, GTK3 theme. And for that purpose, I will open my terminal or you can say console here. So here it is, just open it. In here, I have to go to my downloads folder and in here I have to run a command for GitHub and that is git clone and after that I will paste the address of the theme which I want to download. And here is the theme and I have also added that link in the description so you can always copy that link to download this theme. So what I will do, I will just copy the path of this theme and I will go to my terminal. And in my terminal, I will just paste this path. After that, hit enter. At the moment, it is downloading, so it will take a little bit of time. So we will wait for it to get download. And now we are done with the download and installation of our theme. Now if I ls here, so here is our folder which is available now. So I will go to that folder. For that purpose, as you know, we have to cd and then I have to write the name of the folder or the directory in which I want to go. So after that, just hit tab and just hit enter. Now if I ls here, so these are the files which are available in that folder. So now I will install it. For that purpose, just write /install and hit enter. Now we are done with the installation of our theme, and now we will again go to our system settings. So I will just open my system settings here, and here it is. Just open it, and in here I will search for application style, and here it is. Just open it, and in here I will click on configure GNOME gtk application style. Just click on it, and from here you can choose the one as per your liking or as per your need. I'm going with Cougar Dark, and here it is. Just click on it, and after that click on apply. Now we need to install the theme for icons, cursor and fonts, etc. So again we will use our terminal, and now again I will go to my downloads folder, and again I will write the command for git clone so that I can download the theme from the internet. And after that I have to give the address of the theme which I want to download. So in my browser I have already opened that theme, so I will just copy that path from here. You will find this link in the description as well, so you can always go there and you can copy this link and paste in your favorite browser. After that I will paste this link in my terminal. Okay, I have to give a space here, and now hit enter. Now it has started to download the theme for our KDE Plasma Desktop environment. Now we are done with the download. Now we need to install our theme which we have just downloaded. So I will ls here, and here we have these two folders. So I will go to my Tala folder and just hit enter, and again I will ls here. So from here we have these different files. So now I will install it. For that purpose again I have to use the same command, which is /install.sh. Hit enter, and now it will get installed into our system. So we are done with the installation. Now again we have to go to our system settings. I will just search for system settings, and here they are. Just click on it, and in here I will look for icons, and here they are. Just click on it. A window something like this will open up. So here you have different options which you can choose for your desktop environment. You have oxygen here, you have breeze here, you have breathe 2 here, and you have Tala circle. I'm going with Tala circle. So I will just click it, and after that I will click on apply. So now we have applied this change into our desktop environment. Now we have to add another theme into our system. For that purpose I will again go to my terminal. And in my terminal, let me clear my screen here. I will go back to directory. Again, I will go back to my home directory, and here it is. And now I have to open my theme first in my GitHub. And now I will just change the name here, and that is Widgets-cursors. Now hit enter, and this is the theme we want to download for our system. I will just copy this path, and now I will open my terminal. And in my terminal again I will go to my downloads folder, and now I will write here git clone, and after that I will paste my path here. Hit enter. Now it has started to download our theme for our cursor here. It will take only few seconds to get completed, so we will wait for it, and after that we will install it into our system. Installation process is same for every theme. Just you have to go to the folder where you have installation file and just write the command to install that file, and what will happen that your theme will get installed into your system. So we are done with the downloading. Now if I ls here, so now we have these 3 folders. So I will go to my Vmix cursor. For that purpose cd, now I have pressed tab, and after that I will hit enter. Now if I ls again here, and now here we have installation file as well. So I will just type /install.sh, hit enter, and it has completed the installation process. Now we have to download the fonts for our system. So again I will cd one folder back, and as we have to come to the downloads folder, so I will not go back from here. So I will stay here. Now I will download the fonts for my new setting. So go to the link which I'm going to write into my browser, and you can also find that link in the description of this video as well. And the link is fonts.google.com facebook.com/specimen/roboto. After that, just hit enter. And from here, I will download this font family. Just click on this button and I will save my file here. So click on OK. Now I will open my file manager and now I will go to my downloads folder and here it is. I will extract it here and here is the option. So I will extract this folder here and here it is. Just double click on it. From here you can install the font which you want to use for your system. So I'm going with Roboto Lite. So I will double click on it. What will happen that it will get installed into my system and here it says install. So I will click on it and here it asks if we want to install it for the whole system or for our personal use only. So I will go with my personal use and it says finished. And now I will close this one. So we are done with the installation of our font. So now we have to go to our system setting. So I will search for system settings once again and here it is. Just open it and here I will search for fonts here and here they are. Just click on it and now I will click on adjust all fonts. So here is the list of fonts which are available into my system. So I have to check this checkbox and now I can search for the different fonts. So I am going to search for Roboto which I have just installed into my system. So that font might not show up in most of the cases because we have to do a one more setting here, and that setting is if I cancel it here and if I go to my downloads folder where I have all of my fonts. So what I will do, I will just select all of them except this file and I will copy this. After copying this one, I will just click on split. So after splitting, I will click on this Manjaro folder and from here I will click on this option button. And now I will check this checkbox which says show hidden files. And in here I will look for the folder which says fonts and here it is. I will just open it and I will paste all these fonts which I have copied from here and I will paste it here. So I will just Control V here. So I have pasted all those fonts in my fonts folder. So now if I close this and now if I click on adjust all fonts and if I click on fonts and if I search for Roboto now, I have to scroll down because it is in R category and R always comes after the N. And here it is. Just click on it. After that, we have to choose the font style. So at the moment, I have selected the light one and here I can choose the font size. You can always choose the one as per your liking or as per the need of your screen. After that, I will click on OK and now I will click on apply. So now we have made the changes into our system and now we will install the Orchis-kde theme into our system. So I will close this one. So first of all, let's open the GitHub file of our theme. So I will write here GitHub. So I will use this link and just change the directory of the link from the end. So I will just write here Orchis-kde. After that, just hit enter. And I have also put this link in the description as well, just like the other links. So from here, I will copy this path and now I will open my terminal. In my terminal, as I'm in my download folder, so I will just write git clone and after that I will paste the address of my theme. Now just hit enter. What will happen that it will download the theme for our system and after that I will install this into the system. So we are done with the download. Now we need to install this theme. So I will ls here. So we have a folder with the name of Orchis-kde. So I will cd and if I hit tab and here it is, just hit enter, again ls here. So we do have an installation file here. So I will just install it. So we are done with the installation. As we have downloaded and installed the Orchis-kde, now we have to install Orchis theme. So for that purpose, I will just change the URL from the end and I will just write here theme. Hit enter and now I will copy this path. Again, go back to our terminal and from here I will cd to the downloads folder and in here I will write git clone and I will paste the path. Hit enter. So we are done with the download of our theme. Now we need to run another command into our terminal. So I have added this command in the description of this video. So every command which I am using in this video, you will find those commands in the description. So there is no need to worry about. So we are getting done with our command here, and as this command gets done, we will get to the installation part of our theme here. So we are done with the download of that as well. Now if I ls here, so here is our folder with the name of Orchis theme. So I will go to that folder. So if I hit enter, after that I will again ls here. Now I will install that file. So for that again I will write the same command, which is /install.sh. Hit enter, and now we are done with the installation of that as well. So for the moment I will close my terminal here. Now we need to download and install Kvantum manager. Right now we do not have it. If I open my application launcher here, and if I search for Kvantum, and here it is, it says get Kvantum. Right now it does not have Kvantum in there. So we need to download it and we need to install it. So for that I will open my terminal, and in my terminal I will write a command which is sudo pacman -sy Kvantum -qt5. Hit enter, and now I will press Y and hit enter. It has started to download my Kvantum manager. So we are done with the download of our Kvantum, and if I go into my application launcher and search for Kvantum, and here it is. Earlier it was saying get Kvantum. Now it has been installed, so I will just open it. Now I will click on this label which says change delete theme. From here I will look for the theme which I want to use for my system. So I will scroll down, and here it is. These are the one which we downloaded earlier, if you remember. So I will click on Orchis-kde. So after that I will just click on use this theme. So I will close this one. Now we need to go back to our system setting. So I will open my system settings here, and now I need to go to the application style, and here it is. Open it. So from here I will use the one which I want to use for my system. So for the moment I am going with Kvantum Dark. So I will just click on it, and after that I will click on apply. So now we are using this theme for our system. So I will cross this search. Now again we need to stay into our system settings, and now we have to go to our global theme, which is right here. From here we need to select the theme as per our liking or as per our need. So if you remember, earlier we downloaded this Edna theme and we used throughout this system. Now we are going with Orchis-kde. So I will just click on it, and after that I will click on apply. So you will notice that preview of our system will get changed. So now at the moment we are using this theme. So now we are to install some widgets into our system. So for that purpose I will just close these windows. Let me close my terminal, and I will close my browser as well. So for that I will right click on my window, and here I will click on add widgets, and here we have a lot of widgets which we can add into our system. So I will just click here which says get new widgets, and from here I will click on download new Plasma widgets. So from here I will download and install some widgets into my system. So let me maximize this window here, and here I will search for latte. I will just write the name here, and I will get all the widgets related to this name. So at the moment I will just go with sidebar, spacer and separator, and here is the sidebar. So I will just install it, and here are two versions of it. So I will go with this one, and now it will get installed into my system, and it has been installed. After that I will go with separator, and here it is. I will just click on install button, and it will also get installed into my system. And after that we are left with one, and it is latte spacer. And if I click on it, I will get it to download and install into my system. So we are done with one category. So let's install a widget related to clock. So let's search for inline clock here, and here it is. Just click on install button, and this widget will also get installed into our system. So we are done with this installation as well. So we will do just one last widget installation into our system. So I will just write simple menu, and here it is. just install it, and we are done with the installation of different widgets into our system. So here are two versions, so I'm going with the latest one. So as it has been installed, so I will just close this window as well. Now we need to download the virtual desktop bar for our KDE Plasma. For that, I will go to my terminal and again I will write the command for git clone. But before that, I need to open my browser, and in my browser, I need to open my GitHub directory from where I will get the path of my virtual desktop bar. So you can also find this link in the description. So I will just copy the path here, and now I will open my terminal. Again, I will go to my downloads folder, and in here I will write git clone, and after that I will paste the path of my virtual desktop bar. So hit enter. Now it will take some time to get it download, and after that we will install it. Now we are done with the download, and I will ls here, and from here I will go to the virtual desktop bar directory. Hit enter, and again I will ls here, and now I will go to the script directory. So I will write here cd scripts, hit enter, and now we are into our scripts directory, and now again I will ls here. So from here we need to install first dependency, which is install dash dependencies dash arch.sh. So we are done with the download and the installation process of our virtual desktop bar. Now I will minimize my terminal and my browser as well, and now I will edit my panel here. For that purpose, just right click on your bottom bar, and from there click on edit panel. And now from here, drag this bar and drop it at the top of your screen. I will tell you that why I am doing this and what is the benefit of doing it. After that, we are left with our only installation, and that is installation of latte-dock. For that purpose, I will open my terminal, and in my terminal I will go back to my parent directory. Again I will go back. So again I will go back, and now I will write the command, which is sudo pacman -s latte-dock. Hit enter. Press Y and again hit enter. So we are done with the download and the installation of our latte-dock. So if I search here for my latte, and here it is, just open it. So now as you can see that our latte-dock has appeared here. It means it is working now. So now what I will do, I will edit it and I will add something here. So I will go to the layouts, and after that I will click on edit layouts. From here click on this button which says import. From here click on import from local file. Now I will go to the folder which I have downloaded earlier, and this is that folder. Its link is also provided in the description. So in here I will go to the Chromix bar layout latte. I will click on it, and after that I will click on import, and here it is. So what I will do now, I will click on apply, and now it has been applied. So what I need to do, I need to switch to this layout. So for that I will click on switch button, and now we have been switched to our new layout. After that I will cross this window. Now let's do some more tweaks here. I will right click here, and from here I will click on configure event calendar. Just click on it, and from here I will change my weather city. So I will go to my weather category, and from here I will find my city. So I'm going with Toronto. I'm going with Canada one. So I will just select this one, and then I will click on OK. And now again I will click on OK. So now if I click here, and here you can see that we have a more pleasing and more better version of our time, of our weather, and our different other things here. After that, I will just right click here and I will click on edit panel. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to remove this panel from the top bar. For that, I will click on more option, and then I will click on remove panel. I will remove this one as well. So we do not have any panel at the top of the window at the moment. Now I click on this button. From here we have our applications here. We can access anyone, even if you want to search for someone. You can do that just like we were doing it earlier when we did not install any theme or did any settings in our KDE Plasma. So from here, I can add my different applications into my favorite category. For example, if I right click on this emoji selector, and from here I can add this into my favorites. So I can do that with other applications or other softwares as well. So this was all about how we can use Latte. Now we need to install Conky in our system as well. For that, again, I need to open my terminal. So I will write my command here, and that command is sudo pacman -s conky and hit enter. Press Y. Now we need to run another command here. Press Y and hit enter. Now I will close this one, and now I will go to my file manager, and in here I will go to my download, and in here I have a folder with the name of KDE setup. I will open this folder and I will copy the Conky folder here. So I will go to my home folder, and now I will go to my Manjaro folder, and in here first of all I will see all the hidden files. So here it is, just click on it, and now I will paste my Conky folder here. Here it is. Now I need to rename it. So I will just add a dot in front of it and just hit enter. Now I will close this window. Now what I need to do, I need to open my system settings, and here it is, just open it. From here I will go to my startup and shutdown and click on it, and from here go to the auto start category and then just click on add. From here I will add a login script. So I will just click on this button, and from here I will open all my hidden file here. Here it is, just click on it, and now I need to go to my Conky folder. From there open this folder as well, and here is the script which I want to add. So just click on it and click on open. So now our script has been added successfully. Now let's change the background of our desktop here, and that is very simple. Just right click on your screen, and from here just click here which says configure desktop and wallpaper. I will open it, and from here we have a list of wallpapers from which we can choose. We can also add more wallpapers from our local files, or we can download from here. So I will just go with the one which are already available. So for me, this looks good. I will just click on it, and after that I will click on apply. Now click on OK, and now here you can see that how cool it is looking at the moment. And now if I go to my application launcher, and then if I click on this button, and here you can see that how cool it is looking at the moment. There is a clear difference in the interface. So now what I want to do, I will just log out from here and I will come back. I will click on it, and this is our login screen. How stunning and how good looking it is right now. So this was all because of the themes and the settings which we have done in this video, and because of that you have this stunning and beautiful interface for your KDE Plasma. So I will just enter my password here and I will hit enter, and this is the default screen which we get after we log into our system. And now it is looking very beautiful, and here you can see that we have a different information about our system. Mean our CPU is using 3% and our memory is at our 70%, and here is the weather information, and we have date, and then here is our time which is 10:42, and here if you see it is giving us time in a very funny way. So that's it for this video. In this video we have shown you that how we can download different themes and how we can do different settings to make our KDE Plasma look more beautiful and pleasing to the eyes. So every link which I have used, I have put that link in the description of this video as well. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And in case if you have something to ask, just leave a comment below. We will see you in another video. Till then, take care.